Imagine a car that has grown up with its drivers smarter, sharper, and more confident than ever. That's exactly what the 2026 Honda Civic brings to the road. Today, we're taking a complete walk around this iconic sedan to see why it continues to dominate its segment year after year. At first glance, the 2026 Civic looks clean, modern, and athletic without trying too hard. Honda has refined the design rather than reinventing it. The front fascia feels wider and more planted, with a sleek grille and slim LED headlights that give the car a premium, almost European look. The body lines are smooth and balanced, making the Civic look sporty yet mature at the same time. From the side, the long wheelbase and slightly sloping roofline add elegance, while the rear features sharp LED taillights and a tidy bumper that completes the car's confident stance. Step inside, and this is where the Civic really impresses. The cabin feels minimal, well organized, and surprisingly upscale for its class. Materials feel solid, buttons are placed exactly where you expect them, and visibility is excellent from the driver's seat. The digital instrument cluster is clear and easy to read, while the central touchscreen supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making navigation, music, and calls effortless. Honda has focused on usability. Here everything works smoothly, without unnecessary complexity. The seats are comfortable for both short city drives and long highway journeys, with enough rear legroom to keep passengers happy. Under the hood, the 2026 Honda Civic offers a range of engine options depending on the market. The standard petrol engine is tuned for efficiency and smooth daily driving, delivering responsive acceleration without feeling aggressive. For those who want better fuel economy, hybrid variants provide impressive mileage while maintaining the Civic's fun to-drive nature. The steering feels light, yet precise, making the car easy to maneuver in traffic, while the suspension strikes a great balance between comfort and control. On highways, the Civic feels stable, quiet, and confident, which makes it an excellent companion for long trips. When it comes to performance, the Civic isn't trying to be a race car, but it doesn't feel boring either. Acceleration is smooth, overtakes are confident, and the braking system feels strong and predictable. The CVT transmission, often criticized in other cars, is well tuned here, keeping the engine calm and efficient during normal driving. For driving enthusiasts, higher trims offer more power and sharper handling, keeping the Civic's sporty DNA alive. Safety is another major strength of the 2026 Civic. Honda includes its advanced driver assistance features as standard in many trims. This means adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation, braking, and blind spot monitoring all work together to keep you safe without being intrusive. It's the kind of safety that quietly supports you rather than overwhelming you with alerts. What truly makes the Honda Civic special is its balance. It's reliable, fuel efficient, comfortable, and stylish, all at the same time. It suits young drivers, families, professionals, and even enthusiasts who appreciate refined engineering. The 2026 model continues this legacy with better technology, improved refinement, and a design that will age gracefully. In simple terms, the 2026 Honda Civic isn't just a smart choice. It does almost everything right without shouting about it. And that's exactly why, even after decades, the Civic remains one of the most trusted and loved cars in the world.